what's up? We have a market vlog. We're in the season, so I hope you like them. Tomorrow is a May 4th market at Eudora Brewing Company. So it's with Handmade Dayton. Again, this is my last market with them this year, which is a little sad because I enjoyed the last market I had at Eudora. So 3 hours long, very short, very sweet. You're in and you're out. It's kind of nice, you know. We did have, Randy and I had our anniversary dinner tonight. So we do not have a child. He is with my mom. We dropped him off. And we went to Agave and Rye, which is a Mexican restaurant, and it was delicious. I immediately ordered a margarita, and then I was like, so you normally get, you know, if you're out with people, you get like a picture. And so without even looking at the menu, I was like, do you just have a picture of it? And she's like, yeah. I was like, order this one. And so, but then we looked at the menu and Randy looked at me, he's like, are you kidding me? I was like, what? He's like, it's $50. Ordered $50 pitcher of margarita. So you best bet we were there for a while because I drank it all. Well, not just me. He drinks some too, but for the most part it was me. So that's what we're dealing with right now. Yeah, $50. I don't know. In my mind, they never go over $20. You know, you go to a Mexican restaurant. I guess it's just the bougier Mexican restaurants. You're gonna get bougier prices. So it was good. It was good. I got a shrimp dinner. I did not film any of it. There's prom going on, so a lot of prom people were coming in and out, which I like looking at their dresses. But yeah, we're home now. It's 8 p.m. because that's what 30-year-olds do. We get home at 8. We don't get home at midnight. Goodness no. Actually, we got into the garage and Randy's like, right at 8, it had just turned 8 p.m. and I was like, oh my goodness, it's late. I thought that it was like 7 p.m. It wasn't. Let's do an outfit of the day though. Might as well. Nice background. Hi. So I'm wearing a Free People dress. I do have shorts on underneath, don't worry. Some Jeffrey Campbell booties, some socks because I think that's also part of getting old. You want to wear socks all the time. Also, it's like raining. I do have my purse here, and then let me crouch forward. I did my hair a little differently than normal. It's raining. My hair was curled prettily, nicely, cutely. No longer, it's fine. Yeah, so actually, we were about to leave and I was just, I don't know, grabbing something and dead serious. Randy looks at me, he's like, are you gonna are you actually gonna go put your pants on? I looked at him and I was like, this is a dress. No, I'm not putting pants on. So, you could tell what he thought of this dress. I was like, what about this looks like it's a top? I kind of get it. It's a sweater dress. It's a big sweater, but it's like, it is almost knee length, you know? Like it goes, school dress code is fingertips. This extends past it. This is a dress. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little segment. I'll see you guys in the morning. Actually, should I show you? I'll show you what I made. I made a bunch of stuff the last couple weeks, so let's see what I have. I am officially out of bookmark sticks. We'll talk about that another day. It's getting harder and harder to get bookmark sticks in. So anyways, I probably have like 15, 20, 30 bookmarks here. And then I made more little doggy keychain bag charms, and then I don't think I made any Stanley charms. I think I just focused on bookmarks and then some of those because we didn't sell anything at the last market. I really didn't make anything, but you know, as it is, you should always keep making stuff because there will be good markets and bad ones. So I'll see you in the morning. Goodbye. It's officially the market day. Here's my outfit of the day. Let's see if you can see it. I'm wearing overalls. You can't see it. I'll do another one at the show. We got these off of Whatnot, the shopping app. Everything's free, people. This was a very late night drowsy purchase, but honestly, once I purchased it, I immediately regret it. I was like, oh my gosh, what did I do? I didn't need denim overalls. I'm not a farmer. And then it came in. I was like, that's actually not that bad. And so we're wearing it, so we need to get over our discomfort of looking like a farmer. So that's our goal today, is to just be comfortable wearing them. And then I have this cute little Free People Be the Free long sleeve tee. Has little scallop edging. It's a cutie. So yeah. And then I'll wear tennis shoes with it. So we're getting ready to leave. I'll pop back on in a little bit. I need to find my checkout stuff. Okay, found it. Just kidding. That was easier than I expected. I never keep it in here, so cool, cool, cool. We are 1.5 hours in, so halfway through the market, and we just made our first meal, so back.
we'll film the wrap up for you. We're just like not doing so hot the last couple markets. This will be easy because we had very limited transactions. Okay, let me count it though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we had 5 transactions. Luckily this was only 3 hours, so it's not like I was sitting there in the cold for 8 hours. We were indoors and it was only 3 hours. And there was food and drinks. What do you need? What do you need?
My crackers gone.
What's gone? Your crackers? You ate them all, that's why? Yeah.
It's that way.
It is that way. Okay, so quickly we got, the first person bought 2 bookmarks. That was the highest sale of the day. And they were teacher gifts, which is a wonderful teacher gift. The second person bought 1 bookmark. The third person bought a mystery bag.
No.
The fourth person bought a bookmark. Huh? Come here. The fourth person bought a bookmark, and then the fifth person bought my sticky notes. The first person to ever buy the sticky notes. So I'm very happy about that. I actually had feedback from another person saying I should charge more, and I was like, gotta see how they do first. So in grand total, we have a total of $81, which actually I think is the same amount we made at the last one, maybe $1 more. So there you have it. There were no bad customers. It's just like there were people there, but they weren't shopping. Like no one really stopped at my booth. Like a few people did. So yeah, you win some, you lose some. We've been losing a little bit. It's fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. Something weird is that. Yeah, Neil Ma's at work.
Yes.
What's weird is that, so yesterday was Saturday, and I had seen that Oxford was doing an event about a month ago, and I saw they were looking for people, and it was very vague on like what they wanted, and so I was like, I'm just gonna send a Google form in. So on Friday morning, I woke up to an email saying, you're accepted in the setup plans for the next day. And I'm just like, what in the actual word is this? Because there's no way they expected me to know I was in the show and with a day's notice be able to go to it. And then plus the weather, it was rainy. I actually don't think they ended up having the event, but I was just like, has that ever happened to any of you where like the day before, like it's one thing, because I do know some markets, they put that, they're like, if you're on the wait list, you may be contacted the day before. Like I know that is a thing, but this was not one of them. And like I had honestly forgotten I had applied to it. And then I just got the email where it's like, here are the setup plans. I'm like, what? If it would have been nice weather, I totally would have went though. But it's been rainy. So anyways, that's my market wrap up. That was my last Handmade Dayton one, at least for now. I think they might have some in the fall, but their applications aren't open for that yet. So our next market is in 2 weekends from now in Centerville, and I'm very excited for it. It is an outdoor event, so I'll try to do a vlog in between now and then, but if not, you'll see me for that market. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Wait, bye. Wait, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.